month of Sawan, the Kavariyas are out in full force, and now there is another controversy. A Hindu group has forcefully shut down a KFC outlet and in fact has warned that all non-veg eateries should be shut on the Kawar route. Hindu groups have shut down non-veg shops in Ghaziabad. This is a story coming in from Uttar Pradesh's Ghaziabad, where Hindu Raksha Dal is demonstrating in Vasundhara, which is, as all my viewers would know, a major residential area. They have demanded to close all non-vegetarian restaurants during the month of Sawan. In fact, the workers of the organization gathered outside non-vegetarian restaurants like KFC and Nazir, which are located in Vasundhara, and objected to the sale of meat. We're showing you the visuals from this this forced protest that these Hindu Raksha Dal members have done, forcing these restaurants to close down. The issue of sale of meat on the Kawar Yatra route has been a contentious one. We've seen orders coming in even from the UP establishment, even from the UP government, that all restaurants or eateries on the Kawar Yatra route should display the name and the owner's name, etc. But now we are seeing an escalation in the way these goons seem to be really working. They've entered a marketplace which does not seem to be anywhere on the main route of the Kawar Yatra. They're entering this marketplace and forcing eateries to shut down. Samarth Srivastav joins me on this story. Samarth, this seems to be a major escalation now. Earlier they were attacking the eateries which are on the route, and now they're entering marketplaces.
Well, exactly, that's big news coming from Uttar Pradesh, Ghaziabad, where we can see the Hindu activists are pushing and pressing the shopkeepers of meat and non-veg shops especially to shut their shops during the holy month of Sawan. The UP government order earlier said that the non-veg shops will remain closed. Those are which are on the routes of Kawar. But now what we are seeing in the visuals, it's complete situation. It's a complete cut situation of law and order now, where Hindu activists are pressing the shopkeepers forcefully to shut their shops. We have in the visuals showrooms, world-renowned showrooms of non-veg shops also there. But as we see in the visuals, while opposition is saying that eating is something which is related to the personal choice and you cannot press what food you will have to eat, that's what the opposition parties like SP and Congress are taking on the BJP, on the ruling government, Yogi government.